In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit your diagram to the window in Draw.io. If you've ever zoomed way in or way out while working in Draw.io and lost track of your diagram, this quick tip will save you time and frustration. The goal is simple: get your entire diagram perfectly visible inside the editor without manually fiddling with zoom controls. First, open your web browser and go to the Draw.io website, which is also known as diagrams.net. Once the editor loads, make sure you're looking at a diagram. This can be a new blank canvas or an existing file. You don't need any special setup for this. The shortcut works whether your canvas is empty or full of shapes. Now here's the magic. With the editor window active, press Ctrl, Shift, and H together. On Windows and most browsers, that's Ctrl plus Shift plus H. On a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus H. The instant you press the keys, Draw.io will automatically center your content and adjust the zoom so your entire diagram fits neatly inside the visible area of the window. What's happening behind the scenes is that Draw.io calculates the bounds of everything on your canvas, then adjusts the zoom level so nothing important is cut off. It's perfect after importing a large diagram, pasting content from another file, or when your zoom level is stuck at an awkward percentage. A few quick tips to make sure it works smoothly. First, click once on any empty part of the canvas before using the shortcut. If your cursor is still inside a text box or a label, the shortcut may not register. Second, ensure your browser window is in focus. If another app has focus, the keys won't reach Draw.io. Third, some browser extensions or system-wide hotkeys can override shortcuts. If nothing happens, try disabling those temporarily or use the menu alternative under the View or Zoom options to fit the window. You can use this shortcut as often as you like. Whenever you've been panning around or zooming in to edit details, tap it again to reset your view and get the big picture. It's a small habit that makes diagramming feel faster and more organized. And that's it. You're done. You've learned the fastest way to fit your diagram to the window in Draw.io. Give it a try in your next session and keep this shortcut handy to keep your workflow clean and your canvas under control.